So I'm going to strip this Lyphon LF200Q engine down. I was going to take the tank off, the carb and the filter, the air filter, the recoil and the side cover off in this video. I'll start with the exhaust. I'm not going to take the cover off, I'm just going to take the whole exhaust, 230mm bolts. Okay, so I'm starting with the exhaust. It's not in any particular order. You can pretty much take every component off, except for the tank. I think it's hard to get the fuel line into the carb, but anyway, I was going to start with the exhaust, so we don't lose the bolt and the washer. Okay, so it's just 2 bolts and that comes off easy. There's a gasket here as well. It's glued on, so I'll leave it. I'll take the carb off now. So I think these are 10mm. There's not a bolt inside these ones, so it just pulls off now. After you take the fuel hose, the breather hose out. On Hondas they have a bolt there, but these ones don't seem to have it for some reason. So your air filter unit comes off in one piece. I was going to pull the fuel clip up and then pull the hose off. If yours has got fuel in, you can push your choke lever into the pipe. So I'll disconnect the spring and the lever, and that should just pull free now. Pretty good carbs on these actually, I think. That's the carb off. I think I'll get the tank off next. So you will need to remove this for the removing the tank. I'll take the clip off as well. You can get the tank off, but you can't really put it back on because that fuel line's got to be threaded through with that off. I took the wrong bolt out then. Easy to do. Probably better off taking the spark plug out, but never mind, I'll use a spanner. That's the tank off. Move them out of the way so they don't get damaged. Right, I'll take the cover off now. I'll take the recoil off first actually. The recoil unit off. I'll just put this on. It's only 4 bolts. First of all though, you got to disconnect the wiring for the switch, so it just looks like 2 wires. Yep, looks like that goes under there though. So it's your ear for your switch. On these copy ones, the switch needs a separate ear, so. Add the slots underneath there, be careful of the spring. And that is it for this video. You get access to the coil, flywheel,